niya is garden. Ma'am sir, yung muna na malakas yung essence po niya is and then yung nasa middle naman po na tubig red ice cream po is ice cream cheesecake coated by apple jelly. And then yung nasa ilalim po, yung tinatawag namin edible sweet. Cinnamon sugar po siya, edible po. And then yung may shake naman po na lips, yung kulay maroon po is beetroot. Then yung kulay orange yellow naman po is carrots. Then yung kulay green po is potato basic, edible din po. Then the other ice cream po, then yung may shape na duck, yung shape na habanero chili, habanero ice cream po. So yun po yung may cake mo spice po, wala malalasahan.
Sa ano color?
Ito na.
Okay.
Ito